Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this episode, I'm going to show you how you can enroll to CRA direct deposit on Scotiabank. So in order to enroll into CRA direct deposit on Scotiabank, so first thing first, you'll have to log in into your online banking account on Scotia, and then you'll have to log in. Once you're logged in, that's going to direct you to the home page. Right on this page, you need to go ahead and select my account from the top left hand side section. After that, go to basic, and as soon as you click on the basic button, that's gonna ask you to select account info. Right on this page, go ahead and tap the account info button. After that, scroll down a bit and then go to view details. Once you tap on view details, that's gonna open up a pop-up menu. So right over here, you need to go ahead and scroll down right to the bottom, and then you need to go ahead and press on Canada Review Agency direct deposit enrollment. If you're sure about it, then click the arrow icon. Now you begin with the enrollment process. So if you're sure about it, then click the enroll button. Now you have to basically provide in your following information. So make sure to provide the information correctly. Basically, you have to go through 3 steps, and after you've done that, click the continue button. As soon as you're done with that procedure, scroll down right to the bottom. Make sure to mark on the terms and condition, and then click the confirm button as well. Now you'll be receiving a statement stating that you've successfully done with the enrollment process, and click the finish button in order to complete the transaction. So in that way, you can enroll into CRA direct deposit on Scotiabank. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.